Hey everyone, Regina Bellows here with Solutions 8. I want to talk to you today about Merchant Center promotions because they can really help to boost your conversion rate. They're a little bit tricky to get approved, but I think it's totally worth the effort. We started experimenting with them more and more here at Solutions 8. Most recently, we did a few promotions over the Thanksgiving weekend and Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And here's what we found. I'll go through a couple of results, and then I'll show you what they are and how you can set them up. So this is one of my clients. It's an e-commerce store that sells apparel for a very specific niche. So they have a limited market size, but their apparel products are kind of high end. Anyway, so we ran a promotion between November 24th and November 30th. I'm comparing that with just the previous period, and I can see here that our click-through rate went down a little bit, but our conversion rate went up like crazy, 121%. And it kind of makes sense, I think, that the conversion rate might go down slightly, but that the click-through rate would go down slightly, but the conversion rate would go up like crazy because it's showing like a discount right on the ad. And so the people that are more interested in purchasing are going to gravitate towards your ad, and the people that are just browsing are going to click on the other ads instead. So it just seems like the ideal place to be. Everybody loves a discount. Here's another example. This is another e-commerce store. They sell kitchen supplies. And let's see, we ran it from the 26th through the 30th. Yep. Yeah, 26th through the 30th. And so their click-through rate went down by 10%. Conversion rate went up 83%. So, of course, some of this might have been influenced by the fact that it was this big, holiday weekend that centers around making purchases. But you can find some stats all over the internet of reports that have been done where conversion rate does go up, and even Google themselves reports an average increase in conversion rate by 28% across the board. So that's really promising to me. Let me kind of show you what these merchant promotions are. There's a little bit of a trick to them. So just to kind of show you around, I'm here in the Google Images page, and I can see the most common type of merchant center promotion that you might set up usually shows this little special offer link under the shopping ad. So I know we've all seen this as we're browsing the internet. When you hover over it, it'll show you the details of the promotion. If it's a special offer discount code, it'll give you the discount code. That's the most common one by far, but you can also set up things like the free shipping promotion, the free gift promotion, and there's a couple of ways to go about it. I'm going to hop into the Merchant Center right here and kind of show you. If you go to merchants.google.com, if you're an e-commerce store and you already have your product feed pulled into the Merchant Center, then it should be pretty straightforward. You should see this little plus blue button where you can add a promotion. I'm just going to pick, these are the countries that it's available in, by the way, right now, but I think Google's rolling it out to more countries as we speak. So hopefully it'll be available in your country soon, if it's not. Here we go. So promotion category. So you can do amount off, percent off, free gift, and free shipping. Google has some very strict guidelines around what's acceptable. For example, if you do a percent off, your promotion details can't say up to 30% off. It has to be a really cut and dry promotion, 30% off, these products, or 30% off store-wide. And you have to be able to fit that in a sentence. So if your promotion is kind of an up to, percent off, then it won't qualify for Google Merchant promotions, unfortunately. The free gift promotion in particular is difficult to do with Shopify. And I know most of you run your e-commerce stores on Shopify. They want the free gift to be automatically applied in the cart. So instead of taking your product where the free gift is offered and discounting the price of the product, Google won't allow that. You have to charge the full price of the product. Then when the person gets to the cart, the free gift is automatically applied in the cart for $0. Shopify just doesn't offer this feature built in. And so what you're going to want to do there is find a third-party app. These usually cost this one's $10 a month. It's called Auto Add to Cart. There's another one called Sales Motivator that has a few other bells and whistles for $15 a month. Get one of these, make it so that your product adds to the cart, and then run an experiment, right? See if your conversion rate goes up. See if your overall bottom line, your return on ad spend, or your profitability goes up. Don't just look at click-through rate, because that can be a little bit misleading. Yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to show you today. We're going to keep experimenting with it here internally and try to do promotions for our clients, a few times a year. It is going to obviously work better for some industries than other industries. So hopefully I'll be able to do a video update a few months from now with some more data to show you on all this. So thanks for watching.